Hello everyone, I'm Professor Anubhuti Yadav. I'm a course director of Advertising and Public Relations course at Indian Institute of Mass Communication. We're receiving a lot of applications for AdNPR course, but at the same time, we are also receiving queries from parents and students regarding the structure of the course and how we're going to conduct course this year. So this video is to answer to those queries. A little bit about the department in the course. This course was started in 1981 to address the growing needs of professionals in advertising and public relations sector. And right now we have a lot of our students at leadership position in both advertising and public relations sector. Regarding the curriculum, it's very dynamic. We keep on adapting our curriculum according to the needs of the industry, and in this we get a lot of support from industry experts and especially our own alumni. Regarding the objectives of this course, we introduce our students to basic and emerging concepts in the field of communication so that they are better decision makers when they join advertising and public relations industry. We also sensitize them on various social issues like gender, environment, so that when they are working on a campaign after joining the industry, they integrate that in their campaigns. We also provide hands-on training on planning and production of campaign. In the second semester, the APR students, they work on 360-degree campaign, and the brief for that campaign is given by the client. Then we also provide skills on various softwares which are needed in the field of public relations and advertising. So this year, because of COVID-19 pandemic, we'll be offering courses in a blended mode. AdPR course and all other courses at IMC will be offered in a blended mode, which means the course in the first semester will be offered in an online mode, and in the second semester, it will be offered on campus. So in AdNPR course, in the first semester, the focus would be mainly on the elements and the concepts of the various papers. The focus would be more on the conceptual input. This is what we'll be doing in the first semester. So there will be a lot of classes from the academicians and the people from the industry. In the second semester, students will be working individually and also in groups to learn hands-on skills in the various areas of curriculum. In the second semester, they also have to work on a project study, the research project which they have to undertake under the guidance of one mentor, which is allocated by the department. And this guide could be from the academics or could be from the industry, and they help them, these students, throughout the research process. Another very important thing which happens in the second semester is that the students have to work on 360-degree campaign. This is very important and integral part of advertising and public relations course. The main objective of this particular assignment and activity is to synergize learning from all the papers. So the students, they work on 360-degree campaign. The topics have been selected by them in consultation with the department, and they get the client brief. And then from getting the client brief till the production, they have to follow all the stages of campaign planning. And at the end of the semester, they present that campaign in front of the galaxy of experts from the industry. So this is what we offer in AdNPR course in 2 semesters. As far as the allocation of the subjects are concerned in the different semesters, or the allocation of paper in the different semester, this time this will be a little fluid in the sense that the conceptual part, theoretical part of all the papers will be covered in the first semester with, yes, number of activities and assignments, and the practical part of all the papers will be taken in the second semester. Entire syllabus is organized into 10 papers. So we have a paper on communication, marketing, advertising principles and management, media planning, creative and campaign planning, public relations, government communication, new media, production techniques and method, and advertising and marketing research. So this is how we have organized the entire advertising and public relations curriculum. We get a lot of support from the industry experts to conduct this particular course, mainly in the development of the curriculum, because we keep on changing, we keep on adapting, so we get a lot of inputs from them. We also get a lot of support from the experts in organizing seminars, events. While we are conducting the course, they take classes regularly in Ad and PR department. So this is mainly about the course. Regarding the placement, our students get placed in best of the advertising and PR agencies, and as I've said earlier, they're holding senior positions in a number of ad and PR agencies. So, which is a proud moment for the department and for the course. Now coming on to the selection process, we know that this time the selection process is based on marks scored in the different subjects, also different examinations, and also like interview. So we are considering marks obtained by students in class 10th, 12th, and graduation, and then 20% is given to an online interview which will be conducted after the shortlisting of the students is done. So as far as that interview is concerned, what we are looking at is that the student should have an aptitude for the field of advertising and public relations. They should have interest in this particular area. This is a creative field. So the questions which we are going to ask would be basically to judge whether the student has that creative bent of mind or not. So it's going to be easy in the sense, but it all depends upon what kind of responses that comes from your side. So I wish all of you all the very best. Those who have applied for the course, all the very best. Those who haven't, you still have time. 28th August is the last day for applying for this particular course. So all the very best, and I'm sure you'll be part of this very dynamic and vibrant course, and looking forward to interact with at least like 77 of you will be selected for this particular course. Thank you.